Imagine this. Your toaster knows exactly when your bread is perfectly golden, but your teacher or parents knows how to explain why it burns if you leave it too long. Now, both are doing a job, but one follows a simple routine while other thinks, learns and adapts. That's exactly how artificial intelligence works too. Some AIs are like that toaster, built for one specific task. Others, they are like teacher, capable of learning many things. Today, we will explore these fascinating types of AI and discover how close machines are to think like us. By the end of this video, you will be knowing the three types of AI and you will be able to give examples for each type of AI and understand why only one type exists widely today and others are yet to explore a lot. Let's start with a type of artificial intelligence that's all around us and it calls narrow AI. This kind of AI is actually really powerful at doing one specific thing extremely well. Let's imagine for a second. You are asking your phone's Face ID to unlock your screen. It recognizes your face in milliseconds. Amazing, right? But you ask the same AI to write a poem or tell you a joke. It just freezes. Why? Because it was trained for one job, recognizing faces and nothing else. That's what makes it narrow. It's like a student who is genius in maths but has no clue about history or music. Brilliant in one subject, blank in everything else. You will find narrow AI everywhere in daily life. Your email spam filter that catches unwanted emails, the chess engine that can defeat world champions, the recommendation system that helps YouTube or Netflix suggest you what you will watch next, even your Google Maps that finds the fastest route home, all narrow AI. Each one is trained for a specific problem. A spam filter learns to spot patterns in unwanted messages. A chess engine studies millions of moves to predict the best one. But if you swap their tasks, say ask Google Maps to play chess, it won't have a clue. So, the big idea. Narrow AI is focused intelligence. It does not think broadly like a human. It is not creative or emotional. But it's incredibly useful because it handles repetitive, data-heavy jobs faster and more accurately than we ever could. We are surrounded by narrow AI every day. It's what makes our modern digital life smooth, smart, and efficient, even if it can't write you a song yet. Now that we have met narrow AI, the specialist that can do one task perfectly, let's dream a little bigger. What if a machine could think and learn just like a human, not limited to one skill but capable of anything? That's what scientists call general AI or sometimes strong AI. A system that can reason, understand, learn and adapt across many situations like us. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and your personal AI assistant greets you and informs that you have a meeting at 10 a.m. and she noticed you didn't sleep well. She asked if you would like her to push your morning tasks later and play some soothing music. Definitely, you will be going to love that. Later that day, you ask her to help your younger brother with homework. She explains maths, tells stories to make it fun, and even switches to your brother's favorite cartoon voice. At night, she discusses your goals for the next week and helps you plan healthy meals. That's general AI, a machine that understands context, emotions, and purpose. if it can jump between different types of problems just like a human brain. But here is the truth, general AI doesn't exist yet. Everything around us today is still narrow AIs. Scientists and engineers across the world are working towards it, creating systems that can learn beyond a single domain and maybe someday understands us as we understand each other. If ever we reach that point, it would be one of the humanity's biggest milestones. Machines that don't just follow commands but collaborate with us like our true partners in creativity and problem solving. So, we have met narrow AI, the specialist, the general AI, the all rounder that could think like us. Now imagine going one step further, an intelligence that doesn't just matches human but surpasses us. That's called super AI, or sometimes artificial superintelligence, a level of intelligence far behind human ability. Think of a mind that can learn, reason, and innovate millions of times faster than the smartest person alive. It could solve problems that takes us centuries in seconds. Sounds incredible, right? But it also raises big questions. If machines become smarter than us, who makes the final decisions? Can we trust something we don't fully understand? How do we make sure it uses its power for good? That's why most experts believe super AI is still far away. Maybe decades, maybe more. Because before we even get there, we must learn how to build AI that understands ethics, empathy, and value, not just data and logic. Still, the idea of super AI pushes us to dream bigger. It reminds us that intelligence, whether human or artificial, is a gift that comes with responsibility. If we use it wisely, super AI could become humanity's greatest partner, not our competition, helping us explore the stars, cure diseases, and unlock mysteries of the universe we have only dreamed of. Even the simplest forms of AI bring big questions. Who controls it? How does it affect jobs? Can we trust its decisions? Because yes, AI can be biased, but it can also be brilliant. The truth is, AI itself isn't good or bad. It's a tool. The future depends on how we choose to build it and how wisely we decide to use it. A time for a quick recap. Narrow AI does one job. General AI is like human. Super AI is beyond humans. Today, we mostly have narrow AI because it is easier to build, needs less general understanding. That's why you see so many narrow AI applications. They are useful, reliable for particular jobs and improve business and daily life. But researchers debate how or whether general or super AI will ever arrive. Now, my favorite part, quiz time. Which of these best describes narrow AI? A. Learns any task like a human. B. Does one task very well. C. Smarter than all humans. Answer A, B or C in comments. Now something for you to explore after watching this video. Imagine a helpful general AI tutor. What would you want it to teach you? Would you trust it more or less than a human teacher, and why? In next video, we will learn about AI around us. We will look at everyday AI examples and where they appear in your life. See you there.